Do this hamstrings flexibility routine daily if you want to be able to touch the floor with your legs straight. Our hamstrings get tight because of all the sitting we do. If you want to counter this a little bit, try to sit down with your back straight. If your back rounds, just remember to straighten your back again. Also, the weight shouldn't be backwards. It should be a little bit to the front. If you want a program that contains hamstrings flexibility and even the front split, check the link in the description for my full course. For this routine, you need a bench to elevate your feet, some yoga blocks or books, and a band to pull your legs. So let's begin with the routine. We will start with some standing front kicks. Remember to keep both legs straight. Also keep your back straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch legs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we're going to do a forward bend. Open your legs at shoulder width and don't round your back. No. Keep an upright torso and go down according to your level. Aim to reach for 90 degrees. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold the position there. Do 8 breaths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF contraction. Press your heels down. Tense your hamstrings. And relax. Now do 8 breaths. You should go deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can round your back. If you need to bend your legs, that is fine. Aim to straighten them completely with time. Now do 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tense your hamstrings. Do a PNF contraction by pressing your heels down and feeling the tension on the back of your leg. Relax. You can bend your legs to relax them a little bit and straighten them again. Now 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get ready for the next exercise, the elevated pike with one leg. So place your right foot on the bench. Keep your back straight and try to keep both legs straight. Do 10 breaths. So that's 1, 2. Don't round your back. Remember, keep it straight. Now do 3, 4. Also, if you need to bend your front leg a little bit, that's fine. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold the stretch for 8 breaths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keeping your back straight, do a PNF contraction. Press the front heel down. Relax. Now try to go deeper. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can bend your back now. If you need to bend your knee a little bit, that's fine, but aim to keep it straight. Go for 8 breaths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF contraction. Press the front heel down. Tense your hamstrings. Aim to go forward with your back. Relax. Do 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the other side. Relax a little bit your legs and place your left foot on the bench. And let's go for 10. If you need to bend your knee, that is fine. Aim to keep it straight. So let's go for 10 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold the stretch. If you need to bend your leg a little bit, that's fine. Aim to keep it straight. So let's go with 8 breaths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF contraction. Press your heel down. Try to maintain both legs and your back straight. Tense your hamstrings. Relax. Now do 8 breaths. Try to go deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can bend your back. If you need to bend your leg, that is fine, but aim to keep it straight. So let's go. 1 breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF contraction. Press your heel down. Feel the tension in your hamstrings. Relax. Now let's go. 1 breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come back up and relax. Get ready to do the next exercise. For this one you will be laying on the floor. Also you will need a band. Like this one, it is better because it has like a hole in the middle that you can use to adjust it in your foot, just like I am showing. So once you have your band set up, you can lay down on the floor. Use your hands to pull your leg. Aim to go for 90 degrees, at least. If you can go further, that's even better. If you need to bend your leg a little bit, that's perfectly fine, but aim to keep it straight with time. So let's go for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will do a PNF contraction. You will do opposite forces. Your leg wants to go away and your hands will pull it towards you, creating tension in your hamstrings. Relax. Now do 1 breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let your leg go down slowly. Sit back up and get ready to do the other side. Change your bend to your other foot. Use the method that I am showing you if you have this type of band. Otherwise, that's fine. So get ready to do the other side. Every exhale, try to pull the leg more towards you. If you need to bend the working leg a little bit, that is okay. Try to keep it straight with time. So 1 breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get ready to do a PNF contraction. Use the force of your leg as if it wanted to go away, and your hands are not allowing it to go away, creating tension in your hamstrings. Relax. Now go deeper into the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hold it a little bit. Now your leg goes down slowly and sit back up slowly. You can remove the band and relax a little bit. Get ready for the next exercise. You will need some yoga blocks or some books so that you can sit on them. So place your hips over those blocks. So for the next exercise, we will have one leg straightened and the other one bent. So in this case, the left leg will be bent and the right leg will be straightened and then bent for reps. Just like this one, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold the stretch. Try to touch your foot, the one that is being straightened, and you can round your back. Try to go forward so you don't pull your lower back. We want to work on our hamstrings. That's the point of this exercise. Good, now you can relax and switch sides. So now we will bend and straighten the left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold the stretch. If you need to bend your left leg a little bit, that's fine, but aim to maintain it completely straight. And relax. Good. Now come back up. We will do a forward bend You can round your back, put your feet at shoulder width, and we will bend and straighten your legs for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can hold the position but bending your legs. Also, you can round your back. This is a way just to relax your body. Hold the position. And straighten your legs. See if you were able to touch the ground with your hands. If not, that is okay. You can come back to do this routine again tomorrow. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you stretch.